आता खबर विस्तारान. शुक्रारा मुखेलमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकार हांणी विधानसभेत 2017-2018 वर्साचो 202.48 कोटीचो सरप्लस अर्थसंकल्प सादर केलो. मुखेलमंत्र्यान साबार विशयांचेर उजवाड घालतना राज्याचो प्रादेशीक आराखडो डिसेंबर मेरेन आपले सरकार अधिसूचित करतले म्हण उतर दिला. सरकारान प्लॅनिंग बोर्डय स्क्रॅप केला. गोंयांत जावपी आंतरराष्ट्रीय फिल्म महोत्सवा खातीरय फास्ट ट्रॅक तत्वार PPP पद्दतीन साधन सुविधा उभारपाचे अर्थसंकल्पात मंजूर जाला. ओपिनियन पोलाक 50 वर्सां पुराय जातात ते निमतान राज्यांत वेगवेगळे कार्यावळी जातल्यो.
सिटीच्या दिशा खोल तेजाळटना कुणी जागले रे कुणी जागले, दिवे लागले रे दिवे लागले, तमाच्या तळाशी दिवे लागले. With these words of great Goan poet, late Shankar Ramani, I rise before the August House to present the annual budget of the state of Goa for the year 2017-18. First and foremost, I would like to thank colleagues from my party as well as my coalition partners who have shown faith in me and chosen me as their leader. Sir, today with great pleasure, I stand before you all once again to present an annual financial statement. I assure this House as well as people of Goa that I will keep no stone unturned for development of Goa and welfare of the people of Goa. I know that every step towards this requires sacrifice, suffering and struggle, the tireless exertion and passionate concern. Sir, I now present a brief fiscal profile of the state. The state government has adopted a prudent fiscal policy and kept the deficit and debt stock related to the gross state domestic product at a sustainable level. As per the guidelines of Central Statistical Organization, CSO, all the states have adopted the new methodology and revised the base year from 2004-5 to 2011-12. Accordingly, the state government has also adopted the new methodology for preparing of gross state domestic product estimates. The GSDP estimates for the year 2014-15 with the new base year of 2011-12 was rupees 40,633 crores, and the Goa's per capita income at the current prices was at rupees 2,71,793, which is highest in the country. In the year 2013-14, there was a negative growth of 11.945 in the GSDP due to mining ban. However, in the year 2014-15, it has picked up to 9.64%. The GSDP estimates of 2015-16 provisional and 2016-17 quick at the current price are at 45,002 crores and 49,658 crores respectively. The per capita income for year 2015-16 and year 2016-17 is estimated at about 2.99 lakh and 3.27 lakhs respectively. The advanced GSDP estimate at current prices for the fiscal 2017-18 is rupees 55,285 crores, thereby reflecting a growth rate of approximately 11%. Speaker sir, when my government took over in 2012-13, we received rupees 1,072.87 crores from central government as a state share in central taxes and grant in aid, representing about 15% of our budget. Since 2015-16, there has been more than threefold increase in the central transfer to the state pursuant to recommendation of the 14 Finance Commission Award, and today the Union Government has earmarked 3,224.61 crores rupees as state share of central taxes and grant in aid, accounting to nearly 22.4% of the net present budget. This is our rightful share, which we have been demanding for many years. Speaker Sir, besides this measure, the Union Government, more particularly the Ministry of Road, Transport and Highways, has sanctioned projects worth approximately rupees 11,000 crores for the state of Goa, which would be paid out entirely from the central funds without any contribution from the state. Speaker Sir, this has been possible due to leadership and benevolence of our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, and my government stands indebted to him. Speaker Sir, I am happy to present a revenue surplus budget of rupees 202.48 crores for the year 2017-18. The revenue receipt of the current fiscal are estimated at 10,872.63 crore, and the revenue expenditure is estimated at rupees 10,670.15 crores. Sir, the gross budget size for the year 17-18 has been estimated at rupees 16,027.01 crore as against rupees 14,694.17 crore in 2016-17, showing an increase of 9.07%. I propose a capital outlay of rupees 4,286.25 crores for the current fiscal as against rupees 3,112.56 crores revised estimate for the last financial year 2016-17, showing an increase of 37.70%. I propose to complete the ongoing major infrastructure capital works during the current year. Speaker Sir, during this fiscal, the erstwhile plan and non-plan classification under revenue and capital expenditure has been done away with on same lines as done by central government. This would provide efficient utilization of the funds being provided under revenue and capital heads. Sirs, I have not compromised on the implementation of any welfare scheme or on the infrastructure while making present budget provisions, but still control the increase in revenue expenditure at bare minimum. Failing to plan is planning to fail. Speaker Sir, my government will draw a vision plan for each and every individual department with a roadmap to achieve this vision. While doing this, my government would emphasize on minimum government and maximum governance to provide services to the people of the state to the best of their satisfaction. Sir, with disbanding of Planning Commission at national level, I propose to close State Planning Board from forthcoming financial year.